Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can guys add a quantity on your Shopify store for any product. Simply open up Shopify. After that click on left side on product, and then after that you guys are going to be able to see all of your products. For example, I will just simply add in a product over here which is I think is going to get a lot of sales. For example, I will type in short sleeves t-shirt, and then after that I can just simply type in a demo description for now. Once I have my product over here added, after that I just have to simply click on my product name over here. So for example, when you guys come on to products, you guys are going to see this dashboard. Click on the product that you guys want to add the quantity of, and then after that simply scroll down, and then over here you guys can just simply type in how many products do you guys have of this particular plate. So I can type in 50 over here, and then after that we can just simply click on save from the top right, and now our store is going to be updated to show that we have 59 of these products, which before it was showing 0 in stock. So over here let me just open it up once again, and then now coming back over here we can see that we have 59 products in our category. Now from over here I want you guys to click on the left side on inventory, and then after that simply choose a product that you guys want to add in inventory of, and then after that type in the number of products that you guys have. Simply click on save after that, and your quantity is going to be updated as you guys can see over here, and now our product is gonna have 59 in stock. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.